This shrimp dish has only 4 main ingredients that your family will love once you've tried it. Let's go ahead and make it. I am craving to have this for weeks, and now I'm going to cook it and show it how I made it. Let's get it started. Ito na yung ating mga ingredients sa paggawa ng spicy buttered garlic shrimp. Of course, yung hipon, tinanggalan na natin siya ng sungot para hindi tayo matinik. Minced garlic, chopped chili, at handful of parsley. Icha-chop din natin siya. And of course, kakailangan din natin ng butter at ng 2 tablespoons of olive oil para sa paggigisa. Started by heating our pan in a medium heat, and then right after, ilagay na natin yung butter at ang 2 tablespoons of olive oil. So, while our pan is still heating, ilagay na natin yung garlic and make sure na maglagay tayo ng olive oil para hindi masunog yung ating butter. Of course, you can use different kind of oil, but I choose to use this olive oil because it is good for our health. Very important for us to set the fire in just medium heat para hindi masunog yung butter. Madali kasing masunog yung butter. And while the butter is still halfway through melting, ilalagay na din natin yung garlic and just give it a good stir. At ngayon, ilalagay na natin yung bawang dun sa butter and haluin lang natin ito. And when the minced garlic started to release its aroma, kagaya ng pag-amoy or paghalimuyak ng ating mga asawa, chorba, pwede na nating ilagay yung ating minced chili. Make sure that you're wearing a goggles when you put the chili on because masyadong masakit siya sa mata at saka sa ilong. Or other thing is, you can put your exhaust fan sa pinakamataas na level. Next step is ilalagay na natin yung ating hipon na hinugasan kanina at tinanggalan ng sungot. Haluin lang natin ito hanggang sa mag-turn into pink or orange. At isusunod na natin ilalagay yung ating chopped parsley. I chose the flat parsley kasi hindi siya masyadong strong yung lasa. Haluin lang natin ito ng 2 to 3 minutes at malalaman natin na luto na yung ating hipon kapag nag-change na siya ng color into pink or orange. Pwede nyo ding dagdagan ng konting salt and pepper depende sa inyong panglasa. And make sure na habang niluluto nyo itong ating spicy buttered garlic shrimp ay nagsalang na din kayo ng inyong sinaing dahil once na naluto itong ating dish na ito, mas masarap itong kainin sa mainit na kanin. Or otherwise, if you don't have a hot rice, pwede nyo ding i-partner ito sa ice cold beer. Yum, yum! Nakakagutom. I hope you like our video, and kung gusto mong updated ka sa ating channel, hit the subscribe and bell button so you will get notified every time we uploaded a new video. We are uploading cooking, baking, sewing, DIY, and crafts done by yours truly and my little one.
Thanks for watching!